Okay guys, this is a 2018 Chrysler 300. Rebuilt title, quarter panel damage. It's actually driver's side quarter panel. This is all-wheel drive. Like 75K, low miles. Getting damages right here. All been fixed up. Start it up here for you. 75,063 on the miles. Cruise. Heated cooled seats, heated steering wheel, Bluetooth. Navigation. Backup camera. Remote start. Power windows, mirrors, and locks. Panoramic sunroof. Title. Your VIN number, sorry. Rear heated seats. Tires. You can check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.